Hello everyone, nice to see you here. Okay, now we start our work. We will do chain 5 to start. Make a circle, we insert this the first stitch, make a slip stitch. Okay, and we will do double crochet in this circle. So we do chain 3, use for the first double crochet, and we do chain 2, use for the space. Then we insert this circle, yarn over, we insert this circle, then we pull back the yarn. Now we have 3 loops. We yarn over, pull through 2 loops once, yarn over, pull through 2 loops twice. Okay, now we have 1 double crochet, then we do chain 2 again. Total we need 8 double crochets in this circle for this beginning. So don't forget to do chain 2 when you finish 1 double crochet. I think for this work you use the harder yarn, a little bit hard. It's better than the soft one. Okay, we finished 8 double crochet. Then we come to this first double crochet, we do chain 5 from bottom, 1 2 3. The third one we insert, we make a slip stitch. Okay, finish this round 1. Then we start to round 2. Slip stitch, we move in this chain 2 space because we need chain 2 space in this round 2. We do chain 3, use for the first double crochet. Then we will do 5 double crochet popcorn. So we already have 1, now we have 2, 3, we need 5, 4, 5 double crochets. Okay, then we insert this chain 3, the first one top stitch, make this a slip stitch, finish 1 popcorn. It's called 5 double crochets popcorn. Then we do chain 5. Then we insert the next chain 2 space. It's the same thing. We need 5 double crochets. We do popcorn, next slip stitch. Okay, remember chain 5 and you repeat. You should have 8 this popcorn. Okay, now we finished this round 2. We have this chain 5, then we come here, this first double crochet, we do chain 3 from bottom, 1 2 3. We insert this third one, make slip stitch, finish this round. Then we start round 3. We insert this popcorn stitch, the top stitch, we make a slip stitch. Okay, and we do chain 3. We insert this chain 5 space. We will make 3 double crochet 8 cluster. So we do double crochet 8, we do 3 unfinished double crochet 8. So double crochet 8 should be here. We have to do more, right? But we stop here. It's 1, 2, 3 double crochet 8. Now we have 4 loops. Then we yarn over, pull through these 4 loops once, finish the 1 cluster. Then we do chain 3. We insert this top stitch of this popcorn. We make a slip stitch. Then we do chain 3 again. We come to this chain 5 space. We make the same thing, 3. This we do again. So we do double crochet 8. We stop here. Unfinished double crochet 8. Total we have 3. This unfinished double crochet 8. We have 4 loops here. Then we yarn over, pull through these 4 loops once. Then we do chain 3 again. We finish this one by one. We still have 8. This. Now we are here at the end of round 3. We finished this last cluster and chain 3. Then we come here. We use this top stitch of this popcorn, okay, to make slip stitch. Don't use this chain 3, the bottom one. It's otherwise this too high. This later you see this chain 3 not too high. You use this top stitch of popcorn, okay, better. Then in round 4 we will use this top stitch. So we are here now. We have to move there. We use slip stitch. You see this chain 3 space. We use this. We insert the first one from bottom, make slip stitch. The second one we do one by one. We make slip stitch, then we move here. We use this last round. We finish this. We do chain 3, right? We use the first chain, insert first chain, make a single crochet 8. Then we do chain 7. Then we insert next the first chain of this chain 3. We make a single crochet 8. Then we do chain 7. Okay, repeat this one by one. You will have 8 this chain 7 space. Now we are here at the end of round 4. We finished this chain 7. Then we come here. Last round we do single crochet 8. This stitch, insert, we make slip stitch, finish this round. Then we start round 5. In round 5 we will use chain 7 this space. We do a slip stitch, we move in, then we do chain 3, use 44th the double crochet 8. We will do 10 double crochet 8 in each chain 7 space. This is round 4. Easy to remember. You just do 10 double crochet 8 one by one. Make sure. One more. Okay. Finish this chain 7. Then we come to next. No chain here. You just go to next chain 7 space to make double crochet 8 one by one. Okay. So total, when we finish this round, we should have this 80 double crochet 8. Because you have 8 this. Each one we have 10 double crochet 8. Now we are here at the end of round 5. Finish this last double crochet 8. Then we come here, this chain 3, the first one. From bottom 1, 2, 3, the third stage we insert, make slip stitch, finish this round. Then we start round 6. We do chain 3, use for the first double crochet 8, and we do chain 2. And here we skip 1 stitch, we insert next one, we make a double crochet 8, then chain 2, again skip, then insert next one. Okay, repeat this. It means every 2 this stitch we make 1 double crochet 8, okay, because we skip 1. So in this round 6, this double crochet 8 we should have 40. Now we are here at the end of round 6. Okay, we finish this last double crochet and chain 2. We come here, this first double crochet 8, chain 3 from bottom 1, 2, 3, the third one, we make a slip stitch to finish this round 6. We start round 7 now. In round 7 we need to start from this double crochet 8, so we do, here we have chain 2, right, from last round. We do 1 slip stitch, second slip stitch. Now we need 1 more slip stitch to move in this double crochet 8 stitch. Okay, now we start round 7. We do chain 3, use for a double crochet 8. Then we need to do 1 double crochet 8 and chain 4. So we do chain 4 here. Then we skip next double crochet 8. We insert this double crochet 8. Skip 1, insert next one. We make a double crochet 8. Okay. Then we skip this double crochet 8. We use this chain 2 space. We make a 7 double crochet 8 in this chain 2 space. Sorry. Okay, now we have 7 double crochet 8. Then we skip next. We skip this double crochet 8. See here. Here we skip this one. This 2 we skip. Then insert this double crochet 8. No chain here. We just make a double crochet 8. Okay. Then we do chain 4 again. Skip, we start here again. Skip 1, insert this. Next one we make a double crochet 8. Then we skip next double crochet 8. We use this chain 2 space to make 7 double crochet 8 in this chain 2 space. Okay. This is round 7. Use this way to finish. You see between this 2, this is 7 double crochet 8. We have 5 double crochet 8. Okay. This round we have 40 double crochet 8. It means we have 8. This 7 double crochet 8 when you finish. finish this, you come here, we come back. Okay, now we're at the end of round 7. We finished this 7 double crochets. Then we skip this next double crochets. We'll come to this double crochets to make another double crochets like here. Skip this one, come here to make a double crochets. So here, this from bottom 1, 2, 3, the third one we insert. This is a double crochet, right? This chain 3 we use for the double crochets. This chain 4 used for the space. From last round here we make chain 7 total. Okay, now we finish this round 7. We start round 8. So in this round 8 we will make single crochet. Make 1 single crochet here. Then we do this chain 4 space. We will make 7 single crochet. Oh, sorry, single crochet. Come here. So chain 1 we use for the next round for the slip stitch. So we use insert this chain 4 space. We make single crochets 1 by 1. Total we need 7. In this chain 4 space we make 7 single crochets. Okay. Seven. Then we come to this 7 double crochet stitch. We insert each this top stitch of double crochet. We still make single crochets 1 by 1. So total we should have 7 single crochet. Okay, 7 single crochet. Then we come here, we skip this double crochet stitch. We insert next chain 4 space. We make another 7 single crochet 1 by 1. Then you repeat this. Okay, only do single crochet this round. At the end of round 8, we finish this single crochet, chain 7 single crochets here. Then we come this last round. I said make a single crochet. Actually I made a chain 1. Should be chain 1, not a single crochet. Okay, sorry, made a mistake. So we insert this chain 1 stitch. We make a slip stitch here. Finish this round 8. We start round 9. So in round 9 we will do 7 double crochet in this 7 single crochet. Insert this stitch 1 by 1. We make a the first stitch we do a slip stitch. Then we do chain 3 used for the first double crochet. Then we insert this stitch, make a double crochet. Insert each single crochet stitch. We make a double crochet in this round. So here we should have 7 double crochets. Okay, 7 double crochets. Then we come this 7 single crochets here. Insert this we do chain 3 first, sorry. Finish this, then we do chain 3 first, then we insert this, the middle one. Both sides you check should be number 4 because we have 7. You insert number 4 this stitch, we make a popcorn, 5 double crochet 8 popcorn. So we need 5 double crochets here. Make a popcorn, then we do chain 3 and come here, this 7 single crochets again. So this 7 we just do this, then we do chain 3. We come here, it's same thing, insert the single crochet 8 stitch, one by one we make 7 double crochets here. Okay, just do this one by one. Now we are at the end of round 9. Okay. Finish this, chain 3, then we come here, this first double crochet 8, we do chain 3, so we insert the top stitch from bottom 1 to 3, make a slip stitch, finish this round, then we start round 10. In round 10, this 7 double crochets, we will do double crochets and chain 1, so we do chain 3 used for the first double crochet, then we do chain 1, and we insert the second double crochet stitch, we make a double crochet, then we do chain 1, do this one by one. So we still have 7 double crochets here. Okay, 7 double crochets. Then we do chain 3, we come here, insert this stitch, popcorn stitch, top stitch, we make a double crochet 8, then we do chain 3, then we come here, we do this double crochet 8 followed by chain 1 again. Okay, this is round 10. Okay, now we're at the end of round 10. We finish this chain 3. We will start round 11. We come to this first double crochet stitch, chain 3, from bottom 1 to 3, insert the third one, we make slip stitch, finish this round, and we start round 11. On 11 we'll do double crochet 8, so we do chain 3 here used for the first double crochet, then we insert this chain 1 space, it's double crochet and chain 1, right? From last round we do 1 double crochet, then we insert the second double crochet stitch, we make a double crochet, then we insert chain 1 space, we make 1 double crochet, you do this one by one. So total, when you finish this 7 double crochets here, we should have 13 double crochets. Have 13 double crochets here. Then we skip this. Here we skip, we do chain 5. If your edge too tight, this chain you don't do tight, you do loose, then will be better. Do chain 5, then we come here. It's same thing, we do double crochet 8 and insert chain 1 space. We do double crochet 8. We repeat this. Okay. Round 11. We finish this chain 5. We come here. First the double crochet 8. We do chain 3 from bottom 1, 2, 3. The third one we make a slip stitch. Finish this. Then we start round 12. So do chain 3. So the first this 3 double crochet 8, we still do double crochet 8. So we do this for the first double crochet 8, and we insert the second double crochet 8 stitch. We make a double crochet 8. We insert the third double crochet 8 stitch. We make a double crochet 8. For the first 3 double crochet 8, here no change. Sorry, something wrong. Okay, 3 double crochets here. Now we do chain 2. Now we start to do single crochet 8. We skip 1 stitch, insert next one. We make a single crochet 8, chain 2. Skip 1, insert next one. We make a single crochet 8, chain 2. Then skip 1, insert next one. We make a single crochet 8, chain 2. Skip 1, insert next one. We make a single crochet 8. Okay. Sorry, this one not single crochet 8. From here we will do double crochet 8, this one. So when you finish this number 4 chain 2, you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This number 4 chain 2, we will do double crochet 8. 1, 2, 3 double crochet 8. Okay, so this side 3, this side 3, we do double crochet 8. Here we do single crochet 8. And then remember we have 4 chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 single crochet 8. Okay, then we come here, we do chain 4. Come here, it's same thing. The first this 3 we make a double crochet 8. Then you do 1 by 1 repeat. This 11, 12. This is round 12. So we are at the end of round 12. Okay, finish this. Then we come here, finish this chain 4. Then we come here, chain 3, the top stitch. We make slip stitch. Finish this round. Now we start round 13. So here in round 13, the last double crochet 8 and the first double crochet 8 will make 2 on the same stitch. So we do chain 3. This is the first double crochet 8. So we insert the same stitch of this chain 3. We make another double crochet 8. Okay, then we insert the second double crochet stitch. We make a double crochet 8. Insert the third double crochet 8. We make double crochet 8. And we have 4 double crochet 8 here. Do chain 2. Then we come single crochet 8 area. We skip 1 stitch. Here we have a chain 2 space from last round. We have we skip this one, we insert this, we make a single crochet, chain 2, then we skip. Next one should be this single crochet stitch, and we insert this left side of this single crochet stitch, we make a single crochet, chain 2, then here we should skip three stitch. You see here we have two stitch, we use one, we have one here, and this one is double crochet stitch, we skip this one and a double crochet stitch, and this one left side of this double crochet stitch. So we insert this stitch, we make single crochet, and we do chain 2, then we skip this single crochet stitch, we insert this left side of this single crochet stitch, we make a single crochet, chain 2, remember this one we do chain 2, then we insert this double crochet, 1, 2, the third one, last one, we make 2 double crochets. Okay, so in this round, see we have 5 chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain 2 space. We have 4 single crochets. Last round we have 3, this round we have 4. Okay, so you remember this. When you come here, see this single crochet is the middle one from last round. So this middle single crochet here, you should skip. We should skip 3 stitch. Okay, this single crochet stitch and left stitch and right side stitch. Okay, then we come here, we will do chain 3. So here don't do too tight. If this chain too tight, then your work will, the edge will be like this. Okay, do loose here. So now we see this round a little bit confused, but I think you can do it. Okay, make sure this side will have 4 double crochets and this side will have 4 double crochets. Now we are at the end of 13. Finish this chain 3. We come here. We do slip stitch. Okay. Now we start round 14. In round 14, this 4 double crochet, we still make double crochet, so we do chain 3, and we insert the second double crochet stitch. You see here, for this second double crochet, look like there are 2 stitch, 1, 2. We use right side one. Always use right side one. Okay. Okay, 4 double crochets, then chain 2. Here we insert this chain 2 space, we make a single crochet, chain 2, So total we should have 5 single crochets or 4 single crochets. Then we do chain 2, one more, yeah. We should have 5 single crochets. Last round we have 4, this round we have 5 single crochets. Then we do chain 2 here. Then this 4 double crochet, we make a double crochet one by one. Okay. Then come here, we still do chain 3. Come here to repeat. Okay. So make sure we have 5 single crochets and 6 this chain 2 space. Okay. Okay, now we're at the end of round 14. We finished this chain 3, then we come here. We will start round 15. In round 15, these 4 double crochets, the first one and the last one will become 1 double crochet. So we will insert the second double crochet stage to make slip stitch to finish this round. It means we skip this first double crochet, the chain 3, and we do chain 3 for the round 15. The first double crochet will be here, and we insert this third double crochet stage. We make 1 double crochet. The last double crochet stage, we make 2 double crochet. So still 4 double crochets here, and we do chain 2. Skip the first chain 2 space, we insert the second one, we make single crochet, chain 2, next single crochet, chain 2, next one, single crochet, chain 2, the last chain 2 space here, so we still insert chain 2 space, we make single crochet and chain 2, skip last chain 2 space, we insert this side first double crochet, we make 2 double crochet, then second one, the last 2 will become 1 double crochet. So we do unfinished, we stop here and insert this last, stop here. Now we have 3 loops, pull through once, finish this. Then we do chain 4, come to this side. The first 2 will make them together, so we insert, we do unfinished. The second one we insert, make unfinished, then pull through 3 loops once, so this 2 double crochets become 1. Then we insert the third one, and the fourth one we make 2 double crochets, so become 4 stitches. Okay, now you see for this, the edge, this double crochet close to the central, here the central, close to the central one will become 2. Outside one, this 2 double crochet become 1. Okay, and here we have last round we have 5 chain, we have 5 single crochet. This round we have only 4 single crochets, and you have 5 chain 2 space. Last round we have 6 chain 2 space. Okay, now we are at the end of round 15. Okay, in round 16 here still 4 double crochets, so this last one inside close to the central we make 2, 3, this 2 become 1. So we insert the second double crochet stage. We make a slip stitch to finish this round. Now we start round 16. We do chain 3, use for the first double crochet of round 16. Then we insert the third double crochet stitch. We make 1. Insert the last double crochet stitch. We make 2 double crochets. So now we have 4 double crochets here. Then we do chain 2. We come to this single crochet. First the chain 2 we skip. We insert the second one. We make single crochet, chain 2. Next single crochet, chain 2. Next single crochet, chain 2. Now we skip the last chain 2 space. We insert this first double crochet because this one close to the central, so we make 2 double crochets. Insert the second one. We make 1. The last 2 we make them together, 1 and finish the double crochet. Then another one, 3 loops. We make them together, pull through once. Now here we will do chain 6 to come to this next group. We still do the same thing. The first double crochet and finish the second and finish. We make them together. So we insert the third double crochet stitch. We make 1. The last one we will make 2 because close to this central, so we have now 4 stitches here. Okay, so in this round we have only 3 single crochets, and each side we have 4 double crochets. From this group to this group we need chain 6. At the end of round 16, okay, we'll start round 17. 17, it's same thing. Here we still have 4 double crochets. So this last one we make 2, 3, and this 2 become 1. So we still insert the second double crochet. We make slip stitch. Then we do chain 3. Use for the first double crochets of this round 17. Then we insert the third double crochet stitch. We make a double crochet. Insert the fourth one. We make 2 double crochets. Okay, now we have 4 double crochets. Now we do chain 2. Skip first chain 2. We insert the second chain 2 space. We make single crochet. Then we do chain 2. Next one, single crochet, chain 2. Skip the last chain 2 space. We insert this first double crochet stitch. We make 2 double crochet because this one close to the central. And we insert the second one, make 1. The last 2 we make them together. So we do 2 and finish the double crochet. Okay. Now we have 4 double crochets here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This area we do chain 4. Then we come to this 1, 2, 3, the third one. You check from both sides. The insert the middle one, the third one. Okay, we make 2 double crochets. In this same stitch, we make 2 double crochets. Then we do chain 4. Okay, we come here. It's another group. The first 2 we make and finish the double crochet. Insert the second one. So the first 2 double crochet, we make them together. We insert the third one and make 1. The fourth one we make 2 double crochet. Okay, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is round 17. We have only 2 single crochets here, and we have this. We add 1 more this, chain 4, chain 4. Okay, we are at the end of round 17. We will do 18. Round 18, we have only 3 double crochets. So the last one we make 1, 2, these 2 together. So we still insert the second double crochet stitch. We make a slip stitch, finish this round 17. We start round 18, chain 3 first. Then we insert the third double crochet stitch. We make a double crochet. The fourth double crochet, we make 1. So we have 3 double crochets here. Then in this, chain 2, the middle one, chain 2 space, we will make 5 double crochet popcorn. So do chain 1 here, then we come to this, make 5 double crochets. You already know how to do this. We already made a lot this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have 5 double crochets here. Then we do a popcorn, chain 1. Okay. Then we come here. This double crochet, the first one we make 1 double crochet. The second one we make 1. The last 2 we make them together. Okay, we have 3 double crochets. Then we come here. This 2 double crochets here we do chain 4. Chain 4 here we come this area. So this each double crochet we make 2 double crochet. So 1, 2, then we do chain 5. We come to next this double crochet. We make 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Should be like this. Chain 5, chain 4, then we do chain 4. We come to next group. It's same thing, the first and the second we make them together. Okay, and insert the third one, the fourth one. So we have 3 double crochets here. It's round 18. We have a popcorn in round 18. So each side we have 3 double crochets, and here we have chain 2, chain 5, chain 4, chain 4. We come here. In round 19 we still have the -1, so insert the second double crochet stitch, make slip stitch, and we do chain 3. This is for the first double crochet of round 19. Then we do next double crochet. We have 2 double crochets here in this round. Then we come here, this popcorn, no chain here. Insert this top, we make a double crochet. Then we no chain here. We come to this side double crochets. Insert the first stitch. We make 1. The last 2 we make them together. So we have 2 double crochets here. 1, 2. Then we come to this area. We do chain 5. Okay. For this big V shape, each side this 2 double crochet will become 4 double crochet. This 1 double crochet we make 2 double crochet, and this one we make 2 double crochet. So we have 4 now. In this chain 5 space we will make 6 double crochet. Okay, now we come here, this double crochet we make 2, and this one we make 2. Okay, now we have 14 double crochets here. Should be 4 plus 6 plus 4. Then we do chain 5. We come to this group. The first and the second, we make them together. Okay, and we insert the last one. Okay, we have 2 double crochets here. So in this round, you see here, we have 14, this chain 5, and here we have 5 double crochets, 2 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, now we are at the end of round 19. Finish here, chain 6, then we come here. So in round 20, here these 2 double crochet they become 1. So we just insert the second double crochet to make slip stitch. So here we have only 1 double crochet. We do chain 3. It's for the first double crochet of round 20. And we come here. This popcorn double crochet, we still make double crochet. Here 2 double crochet become 1. So we make 2 unfinished. Okay. Then we come this area, we do chain 6. Okay. This 14 double crochet will make back post. So we insert this double crochet stitch and the post here from back. We make a double crochet. Then we do chain 1. We do this one by one. This is called back post. Insert, see this, make double crochet. Oh, sorry. Finish this, should do chain 1. Don't forget this. We finish 1 double crochet, we needed to do chain 1. Okay, we from back to do this double crochet. Total we should have 14. This double crochets. This last one, check, make sure you have chain 1, each double crochet, and we do chain 6. We come here, and this we already said become this 2 double crochets will become 1, so we make 2 and finish, become 1. Then here you repeat. This is round 20. Much easier. Now at the end of round 20, you finish this chain 6. We come here. This chain 3. From bottom, the third one, we insert or make slip stitch. We finish this round. We start round 21. In round 21, here we have a 3 stage. We have 1, 2, 3. We make them together. So we do chain 3. Then we insert this middle one. We make unfinished. And last one we make unfinished, so 3, make them together here. Then we do chain 6, here. In this area, this one, chain 1 space, we insert the first one, we make 5 double crochet A popcorn. We do popcorn again. We need 5 double crochet A. Then do chain 3. Then we skip 1, chain 1 space, insert next. Chain 1 space, we make this 5 double crochet popcorn. Okay, you do this one by one. You finish this, skip 1, the next one you do this. When you finish here, we come back. We finish this 7 popcorn. Make sure the first one in the first chain 1 space, the last one in the last chain 1 space. Okay, now we do chain 6. We come here, we do this again. This 3 stitch, we make them together. We do 1 and finish, 2 and finish, 3 and finished. We have 4 loops. Okay, then we do chain 6. And we start to do this again. Okay, this is round 21. Finish this chain 6. We come here. This chain 3. We go to the bottom, the top stitch. We make a slip stitch. We finish this round. Then we start round 22. It's the last round. Okay, we need to use this stitch. This one stitch from last round. We make this 3 together. We make a slip stitch to move in. And in this stitch, we will make 7 double crochets. So we do chain 3, use for the first one. Then we do double crochets. One by one. Okay, you have 7 double crochets. One more. Okay, we do 7 double crochets here. Then we do chain 2. You come to this chain 6 space. We make single crochet. Then we do chain 2. Then we come here, popcorn area. We use 2, 4, 6. Popcorn to make this shell. We insert the first one, we make a single crochet. Then we insert this second one. You open this. You open this popcorn, you will see here. We use this space to make double crochet. So we insert this, we make 7 double crochets. Seven double crochets. Then we do chain 1. We come next, we make a single crochets. Then we come to this number 4. We do the same thing. When you finish this 6, we come back. We finish this last shell. Then we do chain 2. come here, single crochet 8, chain 2, then we come to this space to make this 7 double crochet 8s, one by one. Okay, you repeat, finish this. Thanks for watching. Hope see you next time.